upsell and repeat sales? Are you focusing on lead collection and follow-up? Are you focusing on pre, during, post-event registration and administration? Are you focusing on lead nurturing? Choose 3 out of 5. Then we will build it for you. Okay. Number 5, lead nurturing require you to have emails ready. We are not copywriters. You need to craft out your own copy. Okay? Or we can introduce you to copywriting people who can product service. So only for number 5, you do need some form of content. Right? E-books or whatever. But generally the first 5, right? The first 4, you don't really need a lot of content preparation. Okay? But on 5, you do need some content. Okay, and we will throw in a free full day live user training for 3 persons in your company. Now, when you buy, when I was a user and I bought direct from Infusionsoft, the problem I had was the online coaching was just a 2-hour session. I had zero knowledge about Infusionsoft. How much questions can I ask with zero knowledge? Nothing, you know. So it was just 2 hours of download. The rest of the stuff I picked it up on video tutorials, 40 hours of video tutorials. So is a business owner going to spend that kind of time to look at video tutorials? I doubt so. So I find that the most effective way is a full day live class. Okay, so that's why I thought that it's important to bring this to Singapore to have a full day live class support. Okay, so we have a full day live user training support, and I have a 1 ticket for 1 day of life cycle marketing workshop, like the book that I hand out, right? So that one, okay, we also throw in this for free. Send either your marketing director, your marketing person, or you yourself as a business owner can come. We'll help you to look at your life cycle, and then we'll do the data import and setup for you. Okay, so all this with 6 months of subscription, right? Usual price Sing dollars converted from US dollars, right? It's 5,496. Okay, for this event, for Click Events promotions, we discount off $400. Okay, so it's $5,096. Okay, if you are ICV eligible, government will pay $5,000 for you, so you're only paying $96 and $30. Okay, so seriously, if you're serious about business and you're eligible, okay, don't need to think about it. Okay, it's just $96.34. You can try it out. Okay. Yeah, ICV. Later I'll talk about eligibility. Okay, the other thing you might want to know is that even if you're a user and you want to say, okay, I want to maximize, how many are already users of Infusionsoft, by the way? Okay, don't have. Okay, maybe they are. Okay, so the other thing that we do is that we actually do lifecycle marketing consultation. So we bring the business experience into the lifecycle marketing process. Alright, so 2 hours, 2 sessions of 2 hours each, I personally will conduct. Alright, and then this will map out your life cycle for your customer based on 2 customer segments. Okay, one of the things that many businesses do not know is the customer, how do they buy your product? So these questions, how did they know about your brand and your product? What pain points were they trying to solve before they found you? Right? What prompted them to make an inquiry? How do they decide to buy from you? What alternatives did they research for before they buy? So they may have known about you, they look at their pain, yes, but what else do they search? Forum? Do they search competitor product, pricing? What do they look for before they buy? And how likely will they buy again or refer? If yes, why yes? If not, why not? Right? So these are the questions that you can derive these questions. Right? So how we help you to derive these questions will be through customer interviews. We will conduct about 10 customer interviews, recorded, transcribed, and analyzed. And then we map these questions into your marketing material, whether it's the lead capture where you look at your ad copy. You can use those information in your ad copy. You can also use those information in your nurture process. Okay? And this is under this ICV consulting grant. It's $5,000. You pay nothing. Okay? The first one, the integrated solution software. This is Infusionsoft software. You pay upfront $5,096.34. We make the claim, you get back $5,000 back to your gyro. Okay, it will be paid directly to you. You won't come through us. So this is a reimbursement scheme. This one is a no money upfront scheme. Once you complete the project, you endorse the project, Springs pay us. Okay, so you don't have to come up with any money upfront. Okay? Any questions? These two can be taken separately or together, up to you. Okay. So today we're going to talk about these two. Jonathan, can I have the form? So eligibility, you must have more than 30% local shareholding, obviously. Actually, PR also can, if you are PR, and it's also considered as local shareholding. Okay, wow, very good. PR also can. Yesterday I just had a call on more. I thought no ICB lah. Then talking about price already. Just finished talking about feature. They think they want to buy already. They talk about price, right? They talk about price. Wow, I sense that they find it a bit expensive. So I asked a question. Does the company actually have a local shareholding? No, I'm a PR. Oh shit, okay, so PR can. Okay. No CPF employee required. This is not PIC. Even new companies can get. Okay. To qualify for the Infusionsoft implementation package, you have not used all the 2 ICB for solutions. You have 8 ICB vouchers, 6 for consulting, 2 for solutions, IT solutions, right? So this is the 2. The category is CRM software. So you must have at least one of it balanced, and you have not used for CRM before. Okay. And if you are interested in the consulting, it may be independent or Infusionsoft, that's fine. Yesterday we had one that just want to look at the life cycle. Then you must have at least one of the 6 and have not used all in the innovation category. Other things in the innovation category are IP diagnostics and IP process. So if you intend to, maybe you have a product that you eventually want to use for intellectual property, whatever, okay lah, maybe you want to reserve it. Okay, but otherwise, I tell you, the 6 consulting vouchers are very few businesses use one. Okay, so you might want to consider at least having checked out the business process for free government paper. Okay. And I do have a queue lineup because at one time I can only do 8 projects. I have to clear one before another one can come. Okay, so now currently my projects are all full already. The next available slot is probably like in like November or something. So if you want, I got to put you unfortunately on a queue system. This is not to that is the reality. You tell me now, I also cannot act on it until November. Okay?
Sorry, these ones are the Spring, right?
Spring Singapore. We are a ICB approved vendor. Okay? So I'm going to pass around the forms. Jordan?
Yeah.
Can you pass around the form? So, okay, we are only giving out the forms to those who are interested. So we have another session. I got to reserve some. So who are interested in okay, this is a letter of intent. It is the intent. Okay, until I send you the quotation, it is not a buy. Okay, intent. Okay, so who are interested to look at Infusionsoft? Okay. Jonathan, can you hand over to them? Okay, Infusionsoft. This is the integrated solutions one. $400 discount. Do you see the letter?
Yep, I got it.
The 400. Okay. So those who are interested in the Infusionsoft solution, can you fill up the letter of intent, fill up the details and sign and give me today? Huh? Yeah. Sign first. Okay, so this is the Infusionsoft letter of intent. Jonathan, another.
Alright.
Yeah, that's for the okay, don't need. Yours is the other promotion.
Okay, what happens after 6 months?
The subscription cost is $199 to $500, depending on how many users you have, depending on how big your database. So by the 6th month, you should have derived more value to justify the cost.
So for another 500 to 1,009 for another 6 months or per month?
$199 per month.
Per month.
$199 per month.
Oh, 199 per month.
No, not another 5,000 per month. Just 199. Okay, so letter of intent is to indicate, okay, you're interested, then we will contact you, and then we will help you, we will evaluate your business and give you a recommendation whether this is suitable or not suitable. We do reject customers because Infusionsoft have an 80% renewal requirement for us, meaning that the clients that we take on have a high chance to continue. Then we take on. We do reject certain clients. There are 2 industries normally we don't touch. Pure F&B and pure retail. Okay? If you are in those industries, unfortunately, you're better off with some other system. Why? F&B don't have nurture sequence, which this software is very powerful in nurturing. F&B is you walk past the restaurant, look at the menu, hungry, price is right, you sit down and eat lah. Right or not? So it's location based, maybe loyalty based. Maybe if you leave your handphone, there's a kind of membership system, you get a discount. So it's a totally different concept. So usually we don't, Infusionsoft, not really used in F&B and pure retail. Pure retail is again shop front, walk past, buy kind of retail. But if your product is like, yes, it's retail, but there is potential for upsell and cross-sell, maybe can. Okay, for example, like it's a clothing, ladies' clothes, right, with e-commerce backend. Okay, then we can use the e-commerce to market out to customers to buy online, kind of thing. So usually we won't touch F&B retail. Okay, can? Right. So if you're F&B retail, maybe not, but you can talk to me and ask, hey, can or not? Then I'll think whether can or not. Okay. And then the next one is the marketing consulting. This is the one that is free one. Spring don't like us to say free It's okay, subsidized. Okay. So if you want that also, the other form. Okay, this is a letter of intent for the other form, the life cycle consulting. This one I to put you on wait list until November. As long as you have a UEN, you can. So prop, limited liability, partnership, private limited, all can. Fee also difficult to
Charge him some money for
charge
it.
some money,
Yeah.
right? Just take some money, right?
This for consulting life cycle. Okay, anybody else? That's it.
You can also, if you're interested in attending the life cycle marketing workshop, right? You can also let us know. That one if you are not our customer, then we have a workshop that is $450 for a full day. Okay. Alright, so thank you very much, Kirk. Any last words?